In our HealthCast today, a milestone for patients suffering from a rare genetic neurological disorder. Now, you may remember earlier this year, the FDA approved a first ever treatment for Rett syndrome. It's a medication that after more than a decade of development now offers some hope to these patients. When we first introduced you to Ella Frank back in 2020, she had been living with Rett syndrome for 9 years. It's a condition that isn't evident at birth.
Brought her home, perfect little baby girl, 10 fingers, 10 toes, everything was awesome.
But then Ella started showing delays in her gross motor skills, and she began losing other basic skills.
She had words that she used to say, like about 20 words that she would say, and those words were disappearing, and her fine motor skills were disappearing, and what was replacing it was constant hand wringing, which is a classic sign of Rett syndrome.
Genetic testing confirmed Ella had the condition, which is actually fatal in male babies.
Girls with this condition cannot talk. They rarely walk independently. They have seizures, they have small head circumference, and they don't have purposeful hand movement. That's how severe it is.
Tim Frank became so passionate about helping his now 13-year-old daughter that he went to work for the Rett Syndrome Foundation. Dr. Roman Yusupov says money raised by that organization has helped support research into a drug called trofinetide that just became available last month.
Children who received this medication were able to communicate better, non-verbally communication, but improved eye contact. They were able to concentrate better. They seemed to be less irritable. And they used to have a lot of sleep problems, which seems to be improving when they take this medication.
Although she can't walk or talk, technology does help Ella communicate. And Tim is hopeful that this new medication will allow his daughter to advance even more.
Everybody's reacting a little different to it. Some may not react at all. But the hope of the possibility is what's exciting, of like, what will this unlock for Ella? What will this allow her to do? The future is unwritten in that part, and that's really exciting.
We wish that family well. The International Rett Syndrome Foundation did recently approve $4.4 million for research into additional possible treatments.